Get your fucking child vaccinated. According to Breaking Mom News, there's a measles outbreak and you need to get your fucking child vaccinated. Okay, lady, you know what? I just saw this picture pop up on my feed, so I'm gonna take my kids down here and I'm gonna get this put into them. Now, I'm not gonna Google anything or research what the hell they're putting in this. Let's go down the rabbit hole. Literally, if you just Google the ingredients, the first thing that comes up, they tell you how they have bovine fetal serum. And what does that mean? That literally means the very thing they use to make this lab meat is in this measles vaccine. I couldn't make this up if I tried. This is literally how they make lab meat. They make lab meat from the fetal bovine serum. They get the cells from this nasty serum that they extract from the placenta of a baby and a dying mother cow. And you just need to ask yourself, what the hell is the purpose of them putting this into your child's blood? You have to ask yourself the ethics of this and ask yourself if it's really something that you want to put inside of you. And of course, some of these vaccines may contain additional ingredients such as aluminum salts to boost the immune response. Well, thank you so much for boosting the immune response when our children were so weakened by this virus. So it's just so convenient that they have these aluminum salts in these vaccines. When you learn that this aluminum in the brain tissue of these children and these people who develop autism into their adulthood are having, they're finding all kinds of this aluminum in people's brains. We need to understand when you directly inject these things into your bloodstream, like heavy metals and weird fetus cells, you have to understand that that goes directly into your major organs and it's pretty much bypassing most of your lymphatic system. Also, they literally put sugar in this. And what the hell is this human what? This human serum is a highly pure form of human serum produced through DNA technology. And what the hell is this human serum? Why? That would be the E. coli that you've been hearing rumors of being in these vaccines. It's nothing to be afraid of, you guys. It's just DNA technology that allows scientists to insert human genes into bacteria like E. coli to produce human proteins. You guys, just shoot this into your kid. Also, just think about this. They're administering the actual virus to your child. Just think about that. You know, when they're giving you these vaccines, they tell you that they have to administer the actual thing to you so you can build immunity. Just ask yourself, what if that was their way of spreading it? Could that happen that way? Could it actually spread this way? Ask yourself. Just for entertainment purposes only, let's go over to your FDA's website. And for the fact checkers, you guys can always see the websites that I reference right at the top of my videos. And check out the drug interactions with getting this vaccine. They call this MMR2 vaccine. You really just got to ask yourself if you like the name of MMR2 as well, after all the other things we've heard about mRNA and everything else. And just briefly, we're talking cardiovascular system, damage to the digestive system, the lymphatic system, the immune system, the nervous system. We're talking pretty much every system in the human body could have an adverse reaction, and the FDA is telling us plain as day. So I think I've made my point here, guys. And the idea here is, if you're still falling for this crap, then you're being subjected to exactly what the problems are with this stuff. And if you don't learn from the past and you don't want to stop and pay attention to the actual facts of the matter as opposed to what you're being told, then that's your choice, fam. I'm here to tell you that this isn't going to be my choice. And I'm here to tell you people are waking up to this crap. And when everybody wakes up to this stuff, these things will no longer exist, because we learn that the risks with taking these things way more outweigh the risks of just having health and taking your chances, because things happen And that's why we have an immune system and or a lymphatic system to fight these things off. So take from this what you will, fam. The rest is up to you. I hope that this is a great example for you to share with people who just don't understand these things because it's upsetting. So nonetheless, much love, and health is wealth.